back to Talk with Me. I'm so excited to have you join me today, especially if you are a beginner just starting your language journey. You are in the right place. Our goal here always is to make English clear, practical, and fun. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's start talking. And before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So today's lesson description, the simple present tense, seemingly basic in its structure, is in fact one of the most versatile and frequently used tenses in the English language, acting as the fundamental vehicle for expressing not only present habits but a whole spectrum of realities from the timeless to the scheduled future, and understanding its complete range of deployment is non-negotiable for achieving fluency. Simple present tense primarily functions to describe habitual actions, routines, and recurring events, especially those things we do on a regular, often scheduled basis, effectively illustrating the rhythm of daily life, such as in the declaration. So when it's come to habit and routines, these actions are repeated regularly. They often include adverbs of frequency, like always, usually, sometimes. So as an example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. And as the second example, like my neighbor walks his dog at dusk. So you can see here these are kind of routines that are repeated regularly. And when it's come to the general truth and facts, statements that are permanent or universally accepted, like statements that are permanent or universally accepted, as I mentioned before. As example, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. And the second one, the sun rises in the east. So these are kind of general truth and facts that are permanent or universally accepted. Another one is fixed and future events. As example, the plane departs for London at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. Final exam takes place in room 301 at 9 a.m. So these are the events fixed by the timetable official schedule. So now you might have taken some sort of knowledge in, with reference to simple present tense and its usage. So I want you to answer this dialogue. So I have created a dialogue which helps you to improve your ability to speak in English. This is the dialogue. It's taken place between two persons. One is Adam, another one is Leo. So I want you to represent the act of Leo. So I am represented as Adam. So let's have a talk. Hello, I am Adam. What's your name? So here I want you to type type down your answer in the comment box. And my next question is, where do you live? So give me your answer. And again, where do you study English? Give me type down your answer in the comment box. Does your friend speak English well? Let me know the answer. What does your friend do on the weekends? I see. Do you play sports too? My sister lives close to me. We drink coffee together every Sunday. What about yours? So at the end of this discussion, I agree. Wow, I have to go. My next class begin now. So what will be yours? So here I want you to speak in English while writing your answer in the comment box because speaking makes you perfect. Even though we are not perfect speakers, and if we cannot speak like native English speakers, it's okay. There's nothing to worry. Only thing is you have to maintain the consistency. You have to speak in English. All right, everyone. That's bring us to the end of today's deep dive into the simple present tense. Let's do a super quick recap of what we covered. Remember, the simple present tense is your go-to when you are talking about three main things. Can you remember that? Habits and routines, general truth and facts, fixed schedules. And the single most crucial role you need to walk away with today is the third person, singular role. Don't forget that little s when your subject is he, she, or it. He works, she studies, it knows. It's easy to forget, but it makes all the difference. We also saw how to use the super helpful auxiliary verbs to address to ask questions and forms negative statements. Thank you so much for spending your time learning with me on Talk with Me. I truly love helping you build your English confidence. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button. And if you want to keep improving your grammar with me, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss our next lesson. Finally, here's the homework assignment in the comments section below. Tell me 3 things you do every Sunday and make sure all 3 sentences are in the simple present tense. I'll be back next week or probably tomorrow to tackle the present continuous tense. Until then, keep practicing, keep talking, especially don't forget, keep talking, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.